Good morning viewers, I am Ramina. Today on Thursday, 14 April 2022, Habit Gathering with us in BBC program, which will provide you to the real news and which is taken factually and actually, either in international and national. I will accompany you about 5 minutes with many kinds of information. Well, let's begin the news today. Why are so many people catching it again? In the early days of the pandemic, it was extreme rare to hear of people catching COVID tweets. That's not the case anymore, especially since the Omicron variant emerged in late November 2021. Why are more people catching COVID again? Part of it is Omicron is safe, a variant that's better at sneaking past different spots on old infection. Part of it is a number game, so many of us have already been infected at some point. Did a rising proportion of new infection or a second bout? But getting COVID reached in a short space of time is still pretty unlikely, even with the last version of Omicron wave is widespread in the UK. And for most people, a second infection is less likely to make them very ill. COVID symptoms. Is a runny nose a cold or COVID? How to look after yourself if you get COVID? How likely are you to catch COVID tweets? Eventually, badly likely immunity phase and coronavirus evolve. Most people can expect to catch the other coronaviruses as those which cause common cold symptoms many times in their life. But early in the pandemic, that didn't seem to be the case with COVID. Fewer than 1% of all cases reported in the UK before November 2021 were labeled as reinfection. But the Omicron took over. This looks very different to the version of coronavirus that we saw before. Its difference gives it a better chance of sneaking past the body's early defense, which were based on export to previous COVID infection. And so, the rate of reinfection have been about 10 times higher this year compared with rates seen early in the pandemic. How many people have been infected more than us with COVID? How many cases are there in your area? How is the new version of Omicron different? This new spring Omicron, known as BA.2, has driven UK infection back up to record level. The Office for National Statistics said that about 1 in 13 people across the UK had COVID in the week ending 2 April. It is similar to, but even more infection than the version that came before Christmas, Omicron .1. If you had COVID in the past few months, it's likely to have been a version of Omicron, which in turn should give you good protection against a second bout of it. The data we have so far suggests that a second Omicron infection is rare but can occur. More infections have been seen among younger people and those who haven't been vaccinated. Laboratory studies suggest that a combination of an Omicron infection and vaccines could leave your body even better prepared to fight off a new infection than one infection alone. About 4.5 million people have had a COVID booster dose since the start of the year, with another 2 million getting their second dose. And tens of millions of us have protection from a recent infection. About 1 in 3 of us caught COVID during the first Omicron wave. But even if there's only a small chance of any one person catching Omicron a second time, you're quite likely to hear about it happening. It's a small chance multiplied by the tens of millions of people who have recently had COVID. Will it make me sicker? So far, it looks like a case of BA.2 is no more likely to put you in hospital than a case of BA.1 was. And even if you do test positive again, that is not the same as being sick with COVID-19. According to immunologist Prof. Eleanor Lee, it means that is virus in your nose and throat. The protection provided by vaccine or having had a previous infection is more useful at preventing the virus from getting into your body and doing serious damage than it is at keeping the virus out of your nose and throat. Prof really thinks if you test positive again but feel well, your main concern should be whether you may pass it on to someone who is particularly vulnerable. An infection can still land some people in hospital, particularly those with weakened immune system or elderly health conditions. What are COVID patients being treated for? Patients in COVID bed being treated mainly. Despite the record number of COVID infections, the current wave is putting fewer people in hospital than we saw in January, shown by the red area in the chart above. Precisely because so many of us now have a combination of protection from vaccine and previous infection. During January's peak, about 5% of people in COVID beds in English hospital were being treated mainly for their COVID. The most recent figures for 5 April say that figures is down below 45%, and the total numbers of people in hospital with COVID are roughly half of what we saw in January 2021. The government hopes the spring booster vaccine roll will help to up immunity for the most vulnerable and make it even harder for Omicron to cause serious illness, whether it strikes ons or twists. Early news event BPC program close in the morning, Ramina. Thank you and goodbye.